drunk dipshit. This is how you do the thing. You get your sketch all cute and tasty. Go to your layers. You get a new layer. You make it like, I don't know, 90, 80. Put those... Hold up, got a flat shit colors on the thing. Come back over here. Make that shit 100. Don't bother naming it. Actually... Name your layers. And then turn off the sketch. Holy heck, that's a cutie. Fine tune that shape and silhouette a little. Just keep drawing with that lasso tool, baby. Adjust your proportions or whatever needs to be done. I can't do that through 3 screens. Hold up a second. Make shapes with colors. Add like a line art to the inside parts. Detail. Now make the computer do the line art by using the border effect tool. Whoa. Maybe keep adding more line art. I don't know, I'm not a cop. Remember to lock your layers, bubkus. Also remember Elliot's... Ooh. Okay, just a quick little... Also remember Elliot's whiskers. God damn. Little glasses are so cute. Just keep adding details until you die. More layer locking. Sometimes you do highlights. Make the computer do the work again. Oh, put down some strategic highlights with the cum brush. Wish I was kidding. Now call it done and stop fucking with it. Stop fucking with it. Stop fucking with it. Stop there. Now you've got a thing. Oh, holy fucking shit. Maybe save. Jesus.